to first slide.
First.
First slide. Your name and the topic is there, no?
Hang out. So once a phone hang.
Yeah. Yeah. Start.
Good morning. My name is Balnes. My topic is fuel economy in hybrid electrical vehicle. How to improve the in practical. Now hybrid vehicle we have the two battery and fuel. When the fuel and battery have been discharged, we want to refill the battery and the charge. The charge after that it does not have any air pollution and engine sound in hybrid vehicle. Sir, இன்னொரு தாட்டு சொல்லலாமாங்க சார்?
Yes, definitely.
And we have some added battery to front two wheel. Sorry, olden times we have dynamic cycle, dynamic lightning cycle. That's why we have regenerate the battery without charging. We can move to long distance however we want. Automatically it can be recharged by uh, generating electrical in current, sir. So this is a electrical vehicle we have nowadays. We have in hybrid electrical system. Batteries are can be rechargeable. It have long, how many days how many we can recharge how many years it have a long life. This is a for lithium battery. This is a diagram, sir. We have connected the small motor the wheel like touching. It can be regeneratable to the battery. We cannot recharge. We cannot charge. We cannot charge her. It automatically charged for when the battery is low. It automatically charged. The when batteries are problem, we can use the fuel for emergency. So that's all. Thanks, sir. That's all.
Yeah, only 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
That's it, sir. We can rechargeable batteries. We cannot wait for the charging in 1 or 2 hours. It automatically chargeable. And older times, the cycle has been worked by dynamics, light. When we pedal the cycle, sir, the dynamic motor has been touching the wheel. It automatically rechargeable. This is
Okay. Okay. Any questions from others, students? Any questions? Hello, are you all others? Are you able to see the slide? Yes. Okay. First, you ask any questions if you have. Okay, Balaganesh, fuel economy. Okay,
sir.
when we study, it is not only going to be accomplished by the type of battery, whether lithium ion or in nickel metal hydride battery. or any old type lead acid battery and all. So we are talking that in terms of energy storage system.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why don't you consider this ultra capacitors, and other fuel cell vehicle also. So if you have an ultra capacitor, okay, I think your fuel economy can be improved further.
Yes,
See,
sir.
I think we have solved one problem too. I think some
Sir.
amount of joules of energy stored.
Yes,
If
sir.
the vehicle is has to continuously travel for about 25 minutes, apart from the power that we are tapping from battery, this capacitor also giving additionally. Okay, so because of that, now fuel consumption is reduced for
Yes, sir.
same distance. Okay, so if we are having a ultra capacitor, so
Okay.
automatically we need not to do it any external charge like a plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle.
Yeah, so
Whenever
that's
we
why.
are going for regenerative braking, okay, during the regenerative braking itself, it will keep on getting charged.
Yes, sir.
So
Keep.
if you see any pattern, okay, driving pattern of any vehicle, whether it is urban, rural, or whatever it may be, entire duration many times, okay, either decelerates or regenerative braking. Okay, we will apply brake or we will decrease the speed.
Yes, sir.
In both the cases, the energy can be stored means that is the best way to improve the fuel economy apart from these things.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, fuel cell. Okay, but as far as the fuel cell is concerned, it is not advisable as of now with the technological advancement because we need a 99.99% of pure hydrogen,
Yes, sir.
and which is a very vulnerable gas. Okay, very highly reactive, and explosion may take place if you are not properly handle the gas. Okay, so for electricity production. So that is why now, as of now, it is only considered for very large vehicle, buses, bus
Yes,
and truck and multi-axle vehicle, where fuel can be, that is the hydrogen can be filled at only one station. Okay, centralized manner. Suppose city transport corporation is there means we can uh, we can make an arrangement in such a way that all the buses can fill the gases at one places. It
yes,
is
sir.
absolutely possible. But whereas if you implement in mid-size hybrid electrical vehicle or car like that, then it will be very difficult because we may not know the commuters, so the person who is handling the car. Okay, only using the selected route. He may use his free. He is having a free hand. He can go wherever. So at that time, he may not find any refilling. Okay, so the fuel
Yeah,
economy when you're talking about the with the concept of public transport also we can implement because ultimate aim is to minimize the fuel consumption.
yes,
Okay,
sir. That's
ultimate aim is to minimize the fuel consumption. I
sir.
think yes, that also you can include it. I think if you included this concept and if
Battery.
you taken some practical problems also net ready, there is readily validated data are available. If you incorporated that, if additionally ultra capacitor implemented, okay, for distance of 100 kilometer, how
Yes,
much
sir.
is the fuel consumption? If additionally fuel cell also implemented in case of a e-bus or truck or any multi-axle vehicle, okay, what may be the now reduced fuel consumption? Likewise, if you saw some tables, so why I'm telling is you are all final year. Okay, so wherever you go, okay, so I already told that there are two important things only very much important. S square, we will call it as S square. That is called substance and style. Okay, substance is nothing but how much you okay know technically, how much you can able to explain technically,
Yes,
and another one is the style, which is not only preparing the presentation slide, which is not only preparing about any background of slide. That style is nothing but collecting data. Okay, collecting data in appropriate way. If you are presenting them in any presentation, okay, that will really fetch value. That's why for engineer, S square is very important. Substance and style is very important. Of course, without substance, you cannot deliver anything. But obviously, how much is the style, okay, that you are incorporated in the presentation that will lead to success?
yes,
Because you may not know wherever you go and work, okay, they may be asked you to present something because all other clients or even it may be your superior or they may be your subordinates, You, because as I already told, very first class I already told that the engineer, okay, cannot be act independently. Okay, so like a doctor or lawyer. So a lawyer can do, okay, so any cases in any Supreme Court and go, suppose he is eligible to get that, he can go and argue and win the cases. Likewise, a doctor, he can do any major operations, okay, so open heart surgery and etc. with his assistant. But an engineer alone cannot construct a very big building or very big establishment erection like a power plant. So it is in a teamwork. Being an engineer, okay, so very often or in many occasions it is a teamwork only. So as an individual also we can construct small building or we can go for small maintaining of some electrical installation and etc. But of course, in all cases it cannot be whenever you are thinking about the large scale. So that is why whenever you are explaining, so very often electrical engineers are expected to explain to others, coordinate and convey the ideas and what I can say that influence with a new concept and innovations. So there the Esquire plays a very important role. Okay, so I think maybe and those who are going to present on Friday, I think you can take it in that sense. Okay, so your presentation, when you are presenting that, you should have both substance and style. Okay, style, it is also included the way you are preparing presentation, background and other things, but mainly the content, that is the data. Okay, so that has to be enriched. Okay, so you try the area you tried well. Okay, but a little more content is there because whenever thinking about fuel economy, if we have not studied the concept so far, okay, but now you learned, you know what fuel economy, how it can be improved and all. Okay, so all the possible ways that you can include with the presented with the data, okay, that will get a fits value. Okay, any nice presentation. Okay, now I think you can come out. Okay, you can stop share. I think Makeshwaran. Makeshwaran, ready? Yeah? Are you
Yes, sir.
ready? Wait, wait. I will make you presentation.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, miss. Now
Sir,
you
I'll
share.
present in my mobile only, sir.
Yes, yes. He also presented using mobile only. When you are
Yeah.
putting play, it will be visible. Okay, so instead of keeping it
Yeah,
as
okay,
a
okay. Sir, sir, screen is visible, sir.
not at still your DP only. Now your screen is visible. Yeah, you open slide. Yes.
Sir,
Now
it's
it's
visible.
load.
PPT. PowerPoint.
Now it's loading. I think. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay, go ahead. I think first slide you are not having anything. Only.
So it's just a
Yeah,
introduction.
yeah. Now stored. Yeah, coming. It's coming now. Start.
Yeah. Okay.
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Keep the mic close.
My voice is
Uh, keep the mic close.
yes, sir, it's close only, sir.
Okay. Now it's okay.
Yeah, my topic is retrofit technology in converting an existing electric vehicle. Visible.
Yeah, yeah. Visible. You go ahead. Only
Yeah,
thing is
okay.
your voice is breaking. That only.
Now also, sir.
And now it's okay. But earlier, when you read the topic, at that time it was breaking. What about others? Others, others.
Yes, sir, you can able to see, sir.
Yeah. What about voice, audio?
Not hearing, sir. Why is not hearing?
Okay, little bit louder, Magesh.
நிர்மல் இப்போ ஓகேவாடா? இப்போ கேக்குதா?
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Proceed.
sir. An abstract.
Yes, explain.
Nowadays we are yes, sir. Nowadays we are pulled up the gas pump. Lately we shocked the price of the gasoline. The after some days we have realized the petrol price is too high. So we are moving to the hybrid electric vehicle. The vehicle is lighter and more rumor purely electric vehicle because there is less needed to carry many batteries, and the internal combustion in hybrid electric vehicle is much smaller and lighter than traditional vehicle. And first, what is gasoline electric? Internal combustion engine electric motor powered by battery is equal to hybrid electric vehicle HEV. Uh, in these are having some mistakes. For example, PNC holding contributed without recharging, driving conventional vehicle, and the recharge timing also get delayed. In nowadays, we are all having in olden days we are having some hybrid electric vehicle. For example, TVS Mob. If we have petrol, we have we have run the engine, or else we have wheel up the vehicle. And then what gasoline power was first the gasoline power car. It has fuel tank which supply the gasoline to the engine. The engine turn on the transmission which turns the vehicle. It has 4-cylinder value. Gasoline power car engine typically provide more than 100 horsepower and operate the speed up to 800 RPM. An electric power car it has it said battery provide the electricity to one motor. The motor and the transmission and then turn on the wheels. We can go anywhere. The electric motor can spin the speed up to 15,000 RPM and 100 kilowatts giving and 100 kilowatts power, giving some of the electric core, poker and acceleration. Some advantages and disadvantages of electric cars and ICS, internal combustion engine. First, ICS, it has engine energy efficient, environmental friendly, performance, reduce energy dependence. And EV have some battery problem, driving ranges, recharge time, battery cost, bulk and weight. So we didn't change the total set. So we have some alternative idea. Example, the hybrid electric vehicles. Vehicle technology that dramatically increases the fuel economy. So we are producing uh, some pollution problem and then safety problem. So here we have HEV, we have all of the safety things and pollution free. and increases the fuel economy. Nowadays increase the fuel economy, we are using the ICS. So if we use the HEV, we did not gather about the money and getting the better mileages. These are the main advantages of using hybrid vehicle. Hybrid regenerative braking, electric motor, and assist automatically start and shut off using low rolling resistant tires using lightweight materials. These are the typical view of the HEV. We have the we have electric HEV. We have the battery and we given motor and we have fuel tank and put injection to the ignition to the engine and run off this. In HEV, we can combine two power sources found in the hybrid car different ways. One of the way one of known as parallel hybrid and has fuel tank which supply to gasoline engine, but also the battery supplies give to the electric motor. Both the engine and the electric motor can turn the transmission same time, and the transmission then turn up the wheels. In this electric in HEV, we use the DC series motor in the hybrid electric vehicle. It can satisfy demand loading, recruiting high starting acceleration, reduce the torque, and the armature is in an electromagnet, while the field magnet is permanent magnet. So the attraction and repulsion can process and given the power to the batteries. Using this concept, the car result better, efficient, and save lot of fuel today. These are the components, hybrid components used in the car. Gasoline engine, fuel tank, power device, transmission, and then battery. Electric motor. Electric motor is the magnet and magnetism. The motor use the magnet create the motion, opposite attraction like repulsion. So if you have two bars, the magnet with the Mach enders north and south, NS, the north end of the magnet will attract the south and other each. On the other hand, north end of the magnet will repel the north end of the others. So, so it's similar south with repulsion. Inside the electric motor, these are the attraction, repulsing force, creating rotational force, like north to south. DC motor, DC series motor used in hybrid vehicle. It can satisfy the demanding load recurring high starting acceleration and reducing torque. And these are the parts of electric motor: armature, rotor, stator, commutator brush, magnetic magnetic field. The magnetic circuit of DC consists armature magnetic pole, the air gap, the field force of the yoke. The yoke of the DC machine in an annular ring, the middle of the bottle, field of process, the interpoles. The result in the diversity and variety of performance characteristics. The armature winding it's connected the external power source of the commutator which the brush. The mechanical rectifying device converting the alternating current and the induced EMF of the armature to the DC form. Hybrid efficiencies. More efficient today, hybrid use many incredible efficiency. Some will help up the car to better get mileage and supply to a hybrid. In every in every lost mile out of gallon and gasoline hybrid cans. Recovery energy and store in the batteries. Wherever we go, we have some some recovery stores in the battery, in the car backside we have. The car getting faster, the more kinetic energy it has, the brake of the car remove and energy get displayed from the heat. A hybrid can capture the sum of the energies and store the battery, use we can later wherever needed. It does, it does by using by regenerative braking. Instead of using the brake, stop can go. The electric motor that drives hybrid can slower the car. It is the made the electric motor and generator charges from the car is slow down. Shut down the engine. Hybrid car does not need to relay gasoline engine, all of them because alternate power source, the electric motor and battery. So hybrid can sometimes turn off the gasoline engine. For example, I already told about the uh, moped like this and uh, TVS moped using low rolling resistant tires. The tires are most optimized given the smooth minimize the and the other condition. But the rarely optimize the efficiency of it. The tire can supporting among the drag while we are driving. Hybrid can special the both suffer and integrated high pressure conventional tires. The result get the cars about drag and race tires. It gets smoother when we compare the normal ICS engine. Then conclude. Using this concept, hybrid cars result better efficiency to save lot of fuel of economic today's in the efficient world. Nowadays, Toyota, Hyundai, and some Tesla are also using the battery, but they didn't get involved the HEVs. The proper research and development done, hybrid vehicle promise a practical, efficiency, low pollution vehicle from the coming. It surely concluded the concept of similar one of the battery efficient conservation rate of much and evil in the today energy efficient world. Yeah, yes, that's also.
Okay. Any questions from other students? Uh, See, asking question is the very first step of learning. Okay, when I'm able to remember during our college days, actually, unlike here, okay, even in the from second semester, except for first semester, at that time when we studied under the year pattern only, first year pattern. After the completion of first year, only they will have examinations because people will join starting from August to up to November. People join. So, except in first year, I think second year onwards, we have used to have a seminar like this. It is compulsory. So, maybe approximately some 3 to 3.5 units only people staff will come and cover. Obviously, the high level topic. Usually, if you see any subject, okay, so fourth and fifth unit, maybe it's completely, it will be application. Okay, applying the concept of first 3 unit. Okay, what are all the way we can implement, and we sometimes it may be analyzing like that. Syllabus will be framed accordingly. Okay, so obviously that was the right method. First 3 to 3.5 units only they'll teach. Remaining 1.5 unit or 2 unit completely they'll give in a seminar. What will happen is the students will ask shoot a questions like anything. Okay, the only thing is in between. Okay, when the student any student presenting during that time we cannot ask any question. The moment we stop, okay, so usually we'll put a slide, any queries or any clarification like that with a thank you slide. The moment we stop, the people will shoot out with the question like anything. Okay, because that much curiosity. Okay, so that much curiosity they have. Okay, so because they'll completely listen, very patiently listen all the concepts. Okay, and surprisingly, what will happen is we used to prepare. Other than the presenter who is done, like today, Mahesh and presenter means almost all the remaining students they will prepare on the same topic. They will refer and come because it is for about 2 units, no, completely around 15 hours, 15 to 18 hours. It will go like that only. So each day, two, three students will present means completely the entire 45, 50 students will be completing. So each student will prepare on the topic. Okay, apart from the presenter. So they will come out with a lot of data and they will shoot questions or sometimes they will add the points also. Okay, so that is the reason why students, okay, those who are passed out at that stage, okay, very easily they got job and they are now they are in very good positions. Okay, in the engineering field, especially very top positions. Okay, so because it is not a merely okay the duty of Mageshwaran to prepare and talk. You also should know. Okay, the ultimate aim. So you have to prepare. You should ask questions because that is a way you can help him and you are helping yourself also. Okay, so because nowadays, unlike at that situation, only we used to go library. That is the only source. Okay, very rarely only we'll go to the computer center. Okay, because of minimum computers, minimum bandwidth, lot of limitations are the timing and the material we can access and download. Now you are living in the era of digital. Okay, all the e-contents, everything you can available. I think every one of you having a mobile with a lot of bandwidth, with unlimited downloading capacity and all. Okay, so that you should ask questions, more questions. Okay, so that is a way only you can able to learn more thing, and Magesharan also able to have a different perception. Okay, so he will have a different perception of about the topic. Okay, because uh, we already dealt this topic. Okay, so retrofitting technology. What is happening in retrofitting technology? It is retrofitting technology is mainly it is one kind of technology where we are not manufacturing or we are not designing any other parameters of any vehicle. Already available vehicle. Say for
Available.
example, Maruti 800 is available, Alto available. Okay, any vehicle,
Omni, sir.
we are going to use the chassis. We are going to use simply the chassis. Only the portion of the tractive force. Okay, we are going to identify the place for keeping my motor, keeping my battery pack, keeping my power modulator, and then I am going to proceed with that. Okay, and I am going to take a portion of tractive force. By that, I am converting. I can able to convert. Some in case of a Maruti 800 and Alto. Now you can able to see commercially they are doing. For information, okay, so by getting 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, okay, the old Maruti car and all, you know that very well. Bharat stage 4 vehicle only is allowed to run, whereas stage 3 vehicles and all, it is not allowed to run. Maybe 20 years over. Okay, so the particular life of the period will over. Okay, so that vehicle instead of condemning it, instead of putting a naming it as a condemn or putting it in a scrap, what they do is they completely remove all the engine, etc., everything except the driving mechanism, how it is transmitting the power to the wheel. They convert it into a electrical vehicle. They will keep a battery pack, lithium-ion battery pack, and they will have a very nice motor. Okay, which is equal to part of the capacity of 800 cc engine. Now they are converting. I don't think that Chennai is having the facility or not. I think I know that Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai area. Okay, Mulund and what we can say that nearer to Churchgate, that is Victoria Terminus. Now it is called Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Near that area, likewise Delhi, all having. If you go with the old, any kind of thing, only thing is it should have wheel and tires and all. Okay, so whatever the condemned stage, they will remove all these things and they'll make it as a electric vehicle. Electric vehicle Okay, Government of India also giving guidelines. If you, I already told that FAME, fast adapting and manufacturing of electric vehicle. Okay, so because of that, for the retrofitting also, Government of India making certain rules. Okay, so what are the condition? Okay, how many year old vehicle only can be converted and all. Now they are permitting. Okay, so see that I can get a very old model 800 or whatever maybe old version of car. Okay, whether even it may be a Padmini type of car. Okay, I can get it for scrap cast. Okay, so 30,000, 25,000, 30,000. If I be able to get it, okay, I invest in another 1 or 1.5 lakh. I can get in a very nice electric vehicle, which can go make an around average of around 60 to 70 kilometer per day with a very less fuel cost. That means nothing. Okay, only charging. How much we are going to spend electrical energy? Maybe cost around 10 rupees to 15 rupees. So people are now crazy about that. Only thing is we don't find any that much technically skilled persons or technically doing these type of things. Organizations are not mushroomingly coming because of the lack of awareness. People are searching for that now. Even if you go for any two wheeler, okay, which is only giving 60 to 65 kilometer. Now it costs around 90,000, 1 lakh rupees. For the same, if you're putting additionally some around 50,000 and all, you can get an electric vehicle. That is called retrofitting technology. Retrofitting technology is nothing but not creating a new kind of hybrid electrical vehicle. We are going least bothering about design, chassis, everything we are going to use, okay, already used vehicle only. In that vehicle, whether we can go for a hybrid, okay, suppose engine still it is working, having a maximum efficiency and all, we can proceed with that. Or otherwise, we can go ahead with complete replacement. We are converting it to electrical vehicle. Okay, so that is called retrofitting. I think a lot of now, I think 1 or 2 companies they are doing very well. Okay, I am having that name. I forgot the name. Okay, so they are training, and they got offer. Okay, people are waiting in queue because see a condemned vehicle. Okay, they'll replace with all the things, bearing and other mechanical arrangement, wheel and all. Then they replace with this type of converters, motor, and suppose you people. That's what I'm saying. Being an engineer and going as a workforce. Okay, so that may be the second thing only. So primarily, you should aim for an this type of thing. Okay, you can make money even if you work for another 5 years on this line, and if you really go and join, okay, where the company is doing these things, retrofitting, okay, of electric, that is retrofitting technology in a gasoline vehicle, converting to hybrid or a electrical vehicle, and join there on 1 year, you stick on to them and learn all the things, then he can start on your own, like automobile garages we are having, okay, for repairing and all, you can do. Even if you are capable of doing, okay, 2 3 vehicles in a month, it is giving even a month you can get 3 4 lakhs out of all other expenses and all. If you neglect it, the minimum 2 lakhs you can get. You can expand business. A lot of opportunities are there. So that is what we forget our potential. Engineering students. Okay, so mainly we are all addicted to the gadgets and very we couldn't find we are not thinking about other options other than going and being in workforce. Obviously, okay, obviously the training is needed initially. Without knowing anything, we cannot leave our okay, so without knowing the depth and all, we cannot do. There are a lot of studies has to be made before making any financial commitment and okay, and getting any loan and all. But we cannot always sustain, okay, being in workforce. After 1 or 2 years of this, each select. So for some of you, I know definitely. Okay, so I have seen some of you project work and etc. You having a potential. Only thing is we are not realizing a potential. Realizing our potential. How to make a business or any money out of that. Okay. So for information, I told when we studied at that time only that tape recorder. You know that cassette. I think how many of you seen that? Okay, so that is very famous player. Okay, cassette player is very famous. What we will do is we will go to that nearby that our town hall road is there. We will go and get, okay. So at that time, chill voice IC 123 means they will give a if you are using that IC, your digital output will be very precise. It will be like a chill voice. Then we will have an LED, okay, set of some 36 or 48 LED. Okay, so every circuit, everything will be available in that. They will give in as a pack for 650 rupees. They will give you a audio deck. Okay, that will be called audio deck pack. Okay, you can get it for 650 rupees. 950 rupees means still more protected IC having some 1 year guarantee. So 1000 rupees means a 3 year guarantee. We used to get all this material, okay, all this panel and all, and fix it. Okay, small soldering we made, and we'll connect all these things, and with a very good, nice looking dancing light LED, we will create a deck. We used to sell. Suppose if I get it for 650 rupees, I used to get sell it for 1500 rupees. If for 1000 rupees pack means with a 3 year warranty of IC 123 means we used to sell it for 2000 rupees. Okay, such a kind of commitment and interest towards is very important. Okay, because after we turned to this teaching field at that time, okay, so that's why we couldn't able to continue on that. But we could still we can able to do. Okay, still all the whenever any fan and any fridge or induction or anything that get repair or that has to be do some replacement of components, we are doing. So that is the way you can make money if you make it as a business. Okay, so that much technological stuff and first of all, interest is needed. Okay, okay, Mageshwaran. Any questions from student side? You should ask questions. Don't afraid that when your turn is come, they will ask questions. That is the way nothing is going to happen. So that is the way you can learn. Oh, this type of insight also is there, or this type of information also we should add it. Okay, it is actually really shaping. Okay, for your information, some 4 5 years back, I have taken this subject as a one seminar only. Okay, so for the orientation lecture. Okay, during the staff meeting. After that, I have enriched. Okay, and so many institution. Okay, I have presented this resource person. Even retrofitting technology alone, I have presented a very good uh, presentation. I am having. Okay, how it is fine tuned means every time. Okay, lot of questions will come. Okay, somebody will ask about cost analysis, somebody about ask about components and its details. Everywhere in a positive way, I have noted and I have incorporated. I search for that. I'll really sometimes even when some things may not be available, component details commercially that component is available or not. Okay, then we used to go automobile store, electrical stores, and we'll identify and I'll take a picture. Okay, and then I'll post it. That is for further forthcoming presentation. That will be added thing. Okay, oh, this much hard work you have done in collecting this. That's a way. Okay, so that's what take on topic. Okay, so that is what you are in the edge of. Okay, completing your course. Okay, so outside world, as I told that it is not that much easy. Cutthroat competitions are going on. Okay, so that means you have to prepare, equip yourself. Take one idea. That's what Swami Vivekananda told. No, take one idea. Okay, think of that. Live on that. Okay, so do that, practice that, preach that, and die on that. Okay, so that's the way. That's the way only you can grow. Okay, likewise, this is one opportunity. I think you can select this is your career, provided you are interested and you can do fine tuning. Who knows? And Mageshwaran and Bala Ganesh, they may enrich the content and slide, and afterwards, even they may get, suppose if they get an opportunity in any electrical vehicle or any retrofitting technology offering institution, okay, they can grow well showing this and they can, okay, so this is how we can clip over the ladder. Okay. Any questions? I think only point I want to tell to Mageshwaran. I
Yes,
think
sir.
in that aspect. Okay, so I expected that. I think you may take in any one retrofitting model. Okay, so you'll say for example, If you go for, as I told, 800, more than 800 vehicle,
Or later.
suppose how to do retrofitting, what are the components required. Okay,
Sorry,
further,
time too less, sir,
further
for the
you add, you enrich, because who knows that sometimes you may need to explain. At that time, your presentation may be very good. Okay, you collect the details. What are the components required? How much cost? Okay, okay, these are all the details you add, and you just present that as a model. Okay, that is created. Okay, so using retrofitting technology, how a particular car is converted as a hybrid electrical vehicle or electrical vehicle. Okay, then what is the running cost? Okay, so any video of that. Okay, that you can include. I think a lot of materials available. Even if you go any in Chennai, I don't know any retrofitting technology company they are doing converting this type of. You go and take a video how they are doing, how they are converting. Definitely people will permit. Okay, at least they will give details how and etc. Like you can go and ask, like you are having a car, you want to convert, how much cost, what are the components. Okay, because since you are electrical engineer, you can demand more details, which motor, etc. That you can incorporate. Okay, so then it will be a very nice presentation than anybody else can do. Okay, so that way you have to improve. Okay, okay, good.
okay, sir.
Okay, any clarification from student side? I'm expecting at least 1 or 2 questions. Hello? No questions? Okay, if no questions, mean we can wind up. I think who is going to be do it on Friday first out of Nirmal and Pradeep? Who is going to present on first set Friday? Hello?
சார் பார்த்து சொல்றேன் சார்.
Yes?
அன்னைக்கு பார்த்து சொல்றேன் சார்.
I think already it's posted. Have you seen that or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the topic given to Nirmal Kumar? Hello? What's the topic given to Nirmal Kumar?
Yes, sir. Mathematic modeling of HV system components and their uses.
Yes. For Nirmal, I have given mathematical modeling of HEV system components and their uses. I think for Pradeep, ESS in HEV. Okay, I think Nirmal can collect a lot of things, and likewise Pradeep too. Okay, so because we are having a 3 different energy storage system. Okay, how that can be combined in a drawing. Okay, how really in a running. Okay, so a lot of simulation. I'm expecting the what I can say the style in the sense collecting data and in appropriate manner you have presented it in your presentation. Okay, so I'm expecting more. I think now. Okay, so Balagan is done, then Mageshwaran done, an wonderful presentation. Okay, so but I'm expecting the simultaneously other students also should collect details. Okay, mathematical modeling. I think I have uploaded some books also. Okay, so I have uploaded in material some of the books that also deal with the mathematical modeling of electrical vehicle components. Okay, and you can take a lot of informations. If possible, try to run any simulation also. Okay, that means you can include as a hyperlink in the presentation. You can have a video. Okay, you can have a hyperlink in the presentation. Then you can run and explain also. Okay, so I expect substance also you can having substance you are having style you can able to with the more you can able to do more presentations. Okay, more attractive presentation in further seminar class on Friday. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think Saturday. What about Saturday? Joel and Hazim. Whether Hazim present today? Hazim today also absent. Okay. What about Joel? Whether he'll come or not?
Sir, I'm preparing, sir.
What about Hazim?
I think he's also preparing, sir.
Okay. Okay. Saturday too. I'm expecting it's all the points is applicable to you also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Make it as
Sir,
a nice
one doubt.
presentation. Yes.
Sir, the two
Yes. Yes.
types you said, sir.
What? Pradeep?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Energy.
Energy storage system in
Sir.
the sense you have to take both all the things: battery, ultra capacitors, and fuel cells.
Okay, sir. The
Okay.
three types you should use, sir.
Yeah. That's what the energy storage system I put common. Okay. So any two combination, you can take battery and ultra capacitor, battery and fuel cell alone. Likewise, so many combinations. A lot of materials are available, even videos, some simulations are available. Okay, and they will have a fuel economy wise, they will have some calculated design also available. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you to all. So when you're searching in Google, okay, so Google will show always how many times more people referred. That only actually very appropriate document and good document sometimes maybe may not be referred by so many people. Being a search engine, it will only present which is first means more people seen or more people there. So very often what's the thing is we used to see first 1 or 2 pages only. You try to see at least some 8, 9 pages, okay, of the search engine's output. Sometimes even on 8th page you can get a very good material. Unfortunately, may not referred or may not seen by so many people. Okay, so that's the way you have to make it appropriate search. Okay. Okay, I think any clarification? Okay, we'll go to attendance part.